Good day, guys, and welcome back to the channel. I want to take this opportunity to say a very Merry Christmas to all of you watching. I hope you had a very pleasant and eventful Christmas, right? So, yeah, we are back. So, let's grind. In the spirit of grinding, we'll be looking into another sites that we can exploit to find arbitrage opportunities ourselves, right? So you can't be depending on someone for updates. You can do it on your own. So let's head over to the site we'll be using for this purpose, right? So the name of the site is Coin Compare. And one thing I noticed about Coin Compare is that if you don't have most of the exchanges here, it will be hard for you to make profits actually, right? For instance, if you don't have, let me show you the list of exchanges here. If you don't have all these exchanges, Orbit, Bitstop, Coin One, yeah, Cobit, Copas, Binance, Bybit, Mex, Gate.io, HTX, Kraken. I mean, most of them, not all of them, then it will be hard for you to navigate because I realized in this site that some opportunities are not in certain exchanges but are in certain exchanges. That's the first thing you have to note if you want to use these sites, right? So you have to be open-minded with downloading new exchanges for you to use. Like I always say, this is a business, so you have to be prepared for whatever um, thing you encounter, and that's new exchanges. Now, most of the new exchanges also you have to use VPN. I mean, some while back when they had all this Nigerian stuff banning crypto and stuff, some exchanges left Nigeria, and to use them or create an account with them has been a tax up to now. So you have to use VPN for most of them, like Bitfinex. You have to use VPN for it to be fast. You can use it normally, but it will be very slow. But once you put your VPN, it will be very fast. So I think you should also know this. So now let's review the sites, whether it's exploitable, whether it's profitable, right? So here, let me just break it down what it means. So on the top right, you see the coins. So basically, this is HTX. This is the site. I'm sorry, an exchange, and this is an exchange. So HTX, L Bank. That's two exchanges. So you compare prices on both exchanges. So here is where you select. If you have any exchange you want to select, you can put it here. Then if you want to check another one, you can put it there. Right? You can as well switch both of them for one to be on the top, then the other one will be on the bottom, whatever way you like it. Then if you have any projects you like specifically you want to check, then you can search it out here. Then we have the coin area. The coin area is all this here: DGB, SCRT, KSM, ZK, A, just basically this area here. Then we have the price. You already know this if you'll be using more arbitrage sites, right? So the price here is this one on the top is HTX and the one on the bottom is LBank. So here you will know whether there's any price that is exploitable, like the price of the current coins on both exchanges. Then if one is higher, then you know that there's something exploitable there, then you can look towards exploiting it, right? Then the amount, remember we always talk about this amount in the exchanges, whether there's enough liquidity for us to put our money and get our money back. Basically that's what this means. This is 24 hours volume of DGB in HTX and 24 hours volume of DGB in L Bank. So that's basically what it means. Then the gap basically means percentage difference, like how many percent difference. This is not your profit actually, just the price difference, right? How many percent difference you have in this particular project. That's just it, right? So I think this basically sums it up. Then on the down area we have the compare area which we are in. Here we can compare. Then on the here we have the chat area. We can check chats, right? Then we have the tip, right, where you can read news on what's happening and whatnot. Then you can as well log in if you like. So that's basically optional. Then we have here, so you have to put up here you have to put minimum of $1, so it'll be minimum of $1 and above. Then select dollars, not yen. I will one. So select dollars. So the colors is I mean whatever you like. So that's basically sums it up, right? So for you to be able to be profitable here, you have to be open-minded with having more exchanges on your device, right? See it as a business. That's basically how it works. So for me, if I want to exploit this price difference now, I would look for a project that has one, high liquidity, then the price difference is crazy enough. Not necessarily crazy enough, but at least reasonable enough so that after expenses I'll still have something left, right? Then another thing is the exchange I have. If I for instance, let me check maybe Binance and Bybit. If there's any price exploitable here, it will be showing here. So if it's not shown, that means it's not exploitable, and that will be a problem because the exchange I have doesn't work here. So I will have to get the exchange that works here, right? So that's basically what I'm trying to say. So yeah, that's basically sums it up, right? If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share. And yeah, let's go.